Hello guys, today we are learn how to add a data file on principal server in mirroring. So we have three servers. First is principal, this is the mirror, and this is the witness server. We have three servers: principal, witness, and mirror. Okay, and we have a shared drive where the backup are there. I'm deleting all this backup. Now we have the steps to learn to execute. What are the steps? These are the steps. First step, from the on the principal, I fire this query and getting the basic details of principal on mirror database. This is the my principal role, partner role is this, witness name is this, connection principal role. Now when I want to add any file on principal server, then I have to stop the mirroring session, then add the file on principal server, then take the log file of this principal server database, then we then restore that transaction log file on mirror server database. Then we will do after restoring, we will reestablish connection between principal server and database server and mirror server. So now I'm getting the basic details of principal server. Now I am stopping the mirroring server. Now I am stopping the mirroring session. So we stop by this query, alter database name, set partner off. Now I am executing this query. This query is now successful. Now I am refreshing the principal and mirror instance. Now we can check the status of principal and mirror database has changed. Now we add the new file to the principal server database. This is the go to the properties, files, add. I have added a new file, Veronica's underscore FOUR 4. Path is data file. Give the name of Veronica's underscore 4.ndf. Similar fourth file. So I have to now add the files. Sorry, this is my mistake. Now I'm clicking on OK. Now we have add the file, step 3. Step 4, we have to take the transaction log backup of this database. Now take the backup, go to the transaction log, we have to transaction log. As I said, we have the shared drive for transaction log. So this is our transaction log. I'm giving a name of transaction log like t1.trn, and I'm taking the transaction log backup of principal database. Take the backup of principal database. Now I want to check this transaction log backup have that data file which I have added. For this we have checked the restore file list only. From this, whatever the transaction log I have, and I have execute this query. Now look at that, there are the file 4 has been added on this transaction log file. Now I am restoring this transaction log file to the secondary server, that is our mirroring server. This is my principal, this is my mirror. Now I am going to mirror server and I am restoring that transaction file. So here I am going to mirroring database, right click, task, restore database, click device, click add, click go to that share folder, select that transaction log file which I take, select transaction log file, go to the files, it's little bit hang. So go to file, you can see that 4 file is there, option, go to the option with no recovery, click on OK. You are restoring the database restored successfully, click on OK. Now the has been restored. Now we have to reestablish connection between database and mirror. Now we have to go to the mirror server and run this query for establish connection, like alter database Veronica set partner TCP SQL01 is my primary server or principal server, and I have to reestablish the connection. So I execute this query, execute. Now the principal and mirror server have to reestablish the mirror connection. Now I'm going to primary server and execute same query, just change the mirror server, add the mirror server here, utter database name Veronica's, set partner TCP SQL2. SQL2 is my mirror server, so I have to add that server, run this query. Now we have the database and mirror connection. We just refresh both the database, both the instance. Now you can check the mirror and principal server is gone. Now we have to cross check, go to principal server, right click, task, mirroring. We see that there is no witness server, so we just copy this, paste on witness server, go to the witness server. Witness server is 3 You can check that they automatically is high safety mode to high safety with automatic mode. Refresh, to refresh and click on OK. That's it. Our family, our file is added. Now just check that by this, click on right, task, launch mirroring the session. You can check there, you can update all the details. This is the way we can add the file on principal and do this the mirror. Thank you for watching.